So if you thought, wow, this is pretty cool, and I have some basic idea, let me ask you, would you like to trade options together? I mean, you, my head coach, Mark Hodge, and I, would you like to do this? Because what I want to do is I want to show you one of these 4 strategies in detail. And right now, I mean, again, the VIX is high right now. So what should you be doing? Should you be buying options or should you be selling options? You should sell options, right? Because the VIX is high, option premiums are high. So this is why right now, during the crash of 2020 that is still going on, the VIX is still high, we have an opportunity to be an options seller and collect premium. If you want to do this, I've put together a step-by-step playbook for being an options seller. Again, this is a strategy that you can use sometimes, and right now is a great time to use this strategy. So this is what I want to invite you, if you're up for it, to place trades together live. So I want to do a class where I give you this step-by-step playbook with exact rules of what to look for if you want to be a seller. And then in addition to this class, I thought we can meet 2 more times and trade it together. Plus, I want to show you how to manage the trades live, because I want to make sure that you know what exactly you should do if the stock is going up or it's going down, right? So that you know exactly what to do. And if you're interested in this, if you would like to do this, just say yes in the comments. I'm curious, because then I want to show you how we can do this. So just click on like right now, or type in yes in the comments, and then I'm going to show you how we can do this together if you're interested in this.